Okay, I'm over here at the airport now. It's the Ho Hot Airport. David here, the school foreign officer from Jining University. He was kind enough to take me over here, so I'm over here now. And this is Ho Hot, the capital city of Inner Mongolia, not China. So it's a wonderful city. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. So you have to go now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I take it from there. I just go check in there, right? Just go in there.
No, that way.
That way?
Who's there? It's for the international entrance.
Number 2? Number 3?
Yeah, number 3.
Number 3, okay.
Number 3 or number 2?